Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the automatic confirm option on Instagram. This feature, when turned on, automatically approves follow requests, but if you want more control over who follows you, turning it off is a smart move. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu and now scroll down until you see the follow and invite. Tap on follow and invite friends. Here you'll see the option related to auto-confirming follow requests. If it's turned on, just tap on it and switch it off. Once it's turned off, people who send you follow requests will have to wait for your manual approval before they can follow you. It's a simple way to maintain your privacy and decide who gets access to your content. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.